Hi, this is Vashali from Just Tutors, and in this video we'll continue further with multiplication. So let's have a look what we'll be doing. So we will be covering today word problems on multiplication by vertical method, and we'll also get to learn more about lattice method. So before moving ahead, some warm-up questions. Please pause the video and try these questions out. You can check your answers here. So if all your answers are absolutely correct, then please pat your back. Let's move ahead and start working with multiplication word problems. So here's the example which says there are 134 stickers on each page of a book. If there are 9 pages in a book, how many total stickers are there in the book? So as you can see what is shown here, 134 is written in the place value chart under its respective place values, 100, 3 tens and 4 units. So here 134 is multiplied by 9 to find out the total number of stickers in the book as shown here in the place value chart table. So what they have done here is, starting from the right, 9 times 4 is 36. So they have written 36 here, out of which the 3 goes to the tens column as a carryover. So we can cross the 3 out from here. Moving ahead, 9 times 3 is 27. Add the carryover 3 will be 30. So once again, the 3 has gone to the next column as a carryover and 0 will be staying here. Further, 9 times 1 is 9, add the 3 carryover is 12. Once again, the 1 will go as a carryover to the next column, and this in the hundreds column, the 12 will become the 2. The answer we'll be left with will be 1206. So that is the total number of stickers in the book given. You can pause the video and have a look at the word problem. Let's move ahead. Some more practice questions, some more word problems given here for your practice. You can pause the video and try these word problems out. I hope you have tried the questions out, the problems out. So here are the answer given for your word problems. Let's move ahead and learn the vertical method. Vertical method is also known as the column method. So let's take an example of 53 times 27. So to solve this question out, we'll first arrange the given number vertically according to their place values in the place value chart. And then we'll start from the units. So let's have a look. 53 times 27. So what we have done here is we have started with the units multiplying 7 times 3 first. So that will give you 21. So 2 as a carryover has gone to the tens place and 1 is written here. 7 times 5 is 35. Add the 2 will be 37. 3 again as the carryover has gone to the next column, the hundreds, and 7 will remain here. Now, as there is no further digit here in the hundreds column, so 3 will come down and you'll be writing 3 here. Moving ahead, now you're multiplying 53 by 2 tens, so you'll add a placeholder here, a 0. Moving further, multiplying the 2 tens by 3 units will give you 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Moving further, 2 times 5 is 10. If you want, you can put as 1 as a carryover and then you can bring it down here, or if you want to write it straight away, you can write it. Now by adding these two numbers, what we get is 1431. So this was the vertical method. I hope the explanation is clear. So here are further some questions for you to try based on vertical method. You can pause the video and try the questions out. So here are the answers for your questions. I hope it's all correct. So let's move ahead and learn the lattice method. So here is an example which says try 54 times 3 by 4. So what you can do is you can make columns as shown here in the figure. Now let's start from the right once again. So 3 times 4 is 12. In one box you can half it, you can split it into two, you can write 1 here and 2 here. Further, 5 times 3 is 15, you can write 1 here and 5 here. Same goes for the next one. 4 times 4 is 16, write 1 here and 6 here. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, coming in this direction, you can start adding. 6, 2 add 1 add 0 is 3, 1 add 5 add 2 is 8, and 1. So the answer will be, after adding diagonally, you'll be getting the answer, that's 1836. I hope the lattice method is clear for you. So here are some practice time questions for you. You can pause the video and try these questions out. So here are the answers for the practice time questions. You can check your answers. If all your answers are correct, then you really deserve a well round of applause. Let's move ahead and some more questions for you. You can pause the video and try these questions out. There are answers for some more questions. I hope you have tried these questions using lattice method, and for this missing number problem you have worked it out well. So if all your answers are correct, then please pat your back. Good job done. For more, please visit justtutors.com. Thank you so much for watching.